Welcome to Food Fanatix. Heat 1.5 cup oil. Add 4 sliced onions. And saute until color changes. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic. Add 1.5 kg beef. Add 1 tablespoon salt, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1 Nihari packet. Fry until the oil comes up. Add 6 to 7 pieces of bones. Add 6 cups of water and cook for 3 to 4 hours or until the meat is tender. Remove the excess oil and keep aside. Slow roast 2 cups of wheat flour. Add water to achieve a dripping consistency. Pour the flour mixture through a sieve and mix it. You can add the mixture until the nihari thickens. Add the excess oil and let it cook until it thickens.